Hey friends, if you've been wanting your YouTube channel to look more legit, but maybe you don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of money, maybe you even don't have the skills to help make it happen, which by the way, that's me, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how in less than 1 hour of effort from you, you're going to have your YouTube channel ready to go in 2 days. That's it. No skills necessary, by the way. I'm going to show you how my channel went from this to this. And you could do the same too. If we haven't met before, my name is Justin Rosales with Practice Your Passion, helping you save time, money, and share ideas so that you can practice your passion. I would love to hear from you. What is your YouTube channel about? Go ahead and put that in the comments below, and let's get started. So this is where most of us start, right? No channel banner, no art, no profile picture. Maybe we have some videos, maybe we don't. Maybe we have something, but we just want to get it refreshed. Either way, we want to make it a little bit better than this, right? Well, hopefully a lot better. Well, last year I was like, I'm going to Google all of this stuff. I'm going to figure out how to do it myself because I didn't have hundreds of dollars to pay anybody to do it. So I just spent multiple days, way too many hours trying to figure out how to do something. And this is what I came up with. Not fantastic, right? So I was just like, oh my gosh, like we're just gonna have to deal with this. We'll leave it be. And then I'll just figure it out at some point in the future. Well, I sat on it for a year. I was just like, I'm not gonna do anything else. So then last week I felt like I gotta make this better. I was starting to put videos out there. I didn't feel comfortable with sharing the quality of my channel with people. And I just felt like I need to make this better. So I started YouTubing, I started Googling, and I came across the term Fiverr. So if you've never heard of Fiverr, it's basically a website that you can go to find highly skilled people in specific niches that can help you accomplish your mission, whatever your mission is. So in this case, we're trying to get YouTube channel branding art ready to go, right? So I go onto Fiverr and I find this guy. This guy has over 1,000 reviews. He's incredible. I'm like scrolling through all of these images that he has of the YouTube channel banners that he created. And this is mine. This is what he ended up creating for me, right? And so I'm looking through it. I'm like, 15 bucks. That's incredible. Like that's not hundreds of dollars. So then I'm like looking through the different things that he can create. Great, a profile picture, perfect. Oh, he can create a Facebook banner. I needed that for a Facebook group that I'm creating. So he can create like all of the different social media profiles for 35 bucks. Like that is like, that's incredible. That's a really good deal. Some of the other things I love about this is, first of all, the 2-day delivery time. I submitted this on Friday afternoon. While I was sleeping, I received the first draft. And then by Sunday morning, I had the final draft. We went back and forth because we get unlimited revisions. So I was like, hey, this is great. What about this? Can we make this happen? What about this? And so like, as we were like fine tuning and tweaking, I was able to get my final product ready to go on all of the different things on the YouTube channel art, the profile picture, all of the things ready to go in under 2 days, which is amazing. The other great thing is that you get the source file when you're done. If you don't know what that is, basically it's like the file that they worked on to create the image. So in the future, if you're like, hey, I want to make these tweaks, or I have a friend that can help me, they can take that file and make those tweaks for you. Or you can learn how to do it yourself. Let me walk you through real quick what it looks like to go through this experience. So you land on this page, right? You look at the different things. You can actually click on the reviews, kind of like Amazon, where you can kind of like see the different conversations, see the final product, see what other people around the world have been saying about this person, right? And you're like, oh, okay, I want to do this. So you hit continue, and then it's going to say like, cool, this is how much it's going to cost. You would hit that cost, and then it's going to ask you for your requirements. Like, hey, this person here, NetArt, asked for like, hey, what is your channel? What's the logo if you have one? The dimensions, or basically you can say like, hey, I want to do it for YouTube channel art. I want it for Facebook. I want it for Twitter, like all of these different things. And then they'll export it in those things and make sure that you have them delivered to you. And then if you wanted any images in the design, and then you can also, like, if you have ideas of the color, then you can share that as well. Now, I didn't have a lot of information. I actually didn't know what I wanted. I just knew that I wanted something, right? And so I just kind of wrote this one paragraph. It maybe have took me like 5 to 10 minutes to put together, but I basically just said, hey, I would love this. I kind of like blue colors. I would love for it to have like this icy cold theme. I think it's pretty cool. And here's some images that you can use. I took some pictures real quick and I sent it over. Once you submit that, you're good to go. So let me explain real quick for you what it looks like when you're interacting after you receive the image back, right? So I told you like in the middle of the night, I got my first draft back. And so NetArt provided the drafts, and you can actually go in and make tweaks based on what they suggested. So like you can say like, oh, like right here, you can click and add a comment. You're like, oh, right here, I would love to have this change. And you can click again, hey, right here, can you have this change? That way they know what you're referencing, right? And so you can go back and forth and kind of collaborate. You can even share it with your friends if you want. So if you're like, oh, I'm working on this project with somebody else, you could bring them into it too, so that they can find out more information, they can see, they can track along with it. Also, while you're going through the process, you can actually download the images and try uploading them to the different platforms as a test, just to see like, does it actually look how I want it to? So that's what I did along the way. You'll also see like there are some watermarks on it until you actually finish the project and say like, this is good to go, delivered, then it will automatically be removed and you will be good to go. So this is what it looked like when I was done. I was able to download these. I was able to download the source files for the different formats, my Facebook group, my YouTube channel. And then I was able to put them on my channel. If you want to use the same person that I did, you can use the link in my description, but let me show you what to do when you have your finished images, right? So what I did is I actually went over to this website, crop circled there. The link is also in the description for that. But basically, I took my profile image because you get it back as a square, right? And so you can upload that and it'll be great for your profile picture, but I wanted it also as my logo. So I took the profile picture, hit open, and then I wanted to add like a circular image so it didn't just look like a square to my logo. So then I did that, hit crop circle, it'll put it there. I hit download image and then I'm good to go. So then I'll go over to my YouTube channel, right? It says upload your profile picture. So I will hit upload. I will go ahead and click on the profile picture, the one that's like a square, hit open. And then it'll say, cool, is this what you want? This is what it'll look like. Great, yes, that is what I want it to look like. I will hit done. Then I will hit upload. I will go to the YouTube channel art. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. Hit the YouTube channel art. This is important here. So it shows you what it'll look like on desktop and what it'll look like on all devices like your smartphone, your cell phone, whatever you're going through. So then you'll hit done. And then you want to go ahead and go down to where it says video watermark. So like your logo, you'll hit upload. And then you remember that crop circle thing that we just did. Go to the logo thing where it's already just circled, hit open, and then it'll add that circle image of you. Hit done. I'm going to add it to my entire video. And then we hit publish. And then we're good to go. Go to the channel. All of the things are updated. It looks great. I went over to Facebook. I updated it there. But that is it in a nutshell. Okay, so the link is in the description if you want to connect with the person that helped me. But you don't have to use that person. You can look for somebody else. You can try to find somebody that also help you with thumbnails, that can help you with like intro videos, anything that you would want, any skill that you're looking for to help you accomplish your mission can be found through that link, through the website. And let me know, was this helpful? Let me know in the comments how it was helpful, or if you have any questions that I can help answer for you. I also want to invite you to our Facebook group community, Practice Your Passion, where we're going to be talking about all of the things. Like, I would love to hear what you're passionate about and how you're pursuing it. One more thing. This was a part of the Shoot It, Shave It, and Share It series. If you have no idea what that is and want to hear more, you can click here. We also have a subscribe button that you can click on to find out more information as we continue to release it into the world about all things Practice Your Passion. Hey, I'm grateful for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to stay with us today. I'll see you soon.